Did you know that algae play an absolutely crucial role for life on Earth? These aquatic organisms, often overlooked or underestimated, are actually invisible heroes of our planet. You might think that trees or forests are the main producers of oxygen, but in reality, algae, whether microscopic or visible to the naked eye, produce a huge portion of the oxygen we breathe every day. Algae live in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even in some moist soils. They perform a vital process called photosynthesis. They capture sunlight and use carbon dioxide, CO, and water to produce energy. This process releases oxygen, which spreads into the water and into the air. To give you an idea of their importance, marine algae produce about half of the Earth's oxygen, rivaling all the forests in the world. Without them, the composition of our atmosphere would be very different, and life as we know it would be much more difficult, if not impossible for some species. But algae don't just provide oxygen. They also play an essential role in regulating the climate by absorbing CO, a greenhouse gas responsible for global warming. They help maintain the balance of our oceans by feeding countless marine species, from tiny plankton to fish, mollusks, and marine mammals. Some algae even form complex ecosystems that serve as shelter and breeding grounds for many animals. In addition to their ecological role, algae are widely used by humans. They are found in food as a nutritional supplement rich in vitamins and minerals, but also in the cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and even energy industries. Scientists are now exploring their potential to produce biofuels and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, showing that algae can also help solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. Every time you look at a calm ocean, a quiet lake, or even a small stream, think of the algae living there. They tirelessly produce the oxygen we breathe, feed marine life, and regulate our climate. They are the invisible lungs of the planet, yet they are often ignored. Protecting algae and their habitats means protecting our own survival. Without them, life on Earth would be far less abundant and our atmosphere much less welcoming. In conclusion, algae are not just ordinary aquatic plants. They are essential to life, invisible but indispensable, and their role goes far beyond what we might imagine. The next time you see these plants floating on the water's surface, remember they are the true guardians of our oxygen and, by extension, our life on Earth.